Alright guys, as you can see, we are in weekly time frame. So as much I see, we are now in bullish area. If I draw retracement, as you can see, price clearly rejected and gave us a pin bar. Now is heading towards this level, which is 1920. So let's just move to a daily time frame. Alright guys, what we see that it just respected this area and big push to the downside before the up move, which is institutional sign. That means price is going to the upside. Alright. So let's just go to a 4-hour time frame. What do we see? As you can see, price is starting to range, and we also got this level right here. So now price is now ranging here. Oh, sorry, we're in 4-hour. So what we see is price ranging, and then price just failing to break off this structure. So I see some bullishness around this level. Alright, so in our 1-hour time frame, I can clearly say that price is moving to the upside. Then what will be our trading style? It depends upon you how you're trading gold especially. So price might go up, then retrace, then it will be moving to the upside, clearing this imbalance right there. Alright, so which is I think it's not impossible, but let the market break the zone, retest above, then ride the trend. So in my case, I'm bullish in gold now. Let's see in on 30 minutes. So I'm clearly waiting for a good retrace. If we draw fibs down there. Alright, so let the market comes either to this level or to this level. Alright, before we anticipate to buy or going for longs. Alright traders, so as you're saying, before month, previous month, you can see some big push to the downside. And if we talk about technicals, and then it retraced this zone and spent some weeks, and then before moving to the upside, it broke below, then it went up, which means it's in institutional powers. So the institutions are moving the market, and you just have to go along with it. So price may come down to this level and then take its original path to the upside. Alright guys, so if you guys like today's analysis for the upcoming week, make sure that you like and subscribe the channel, so guys you won't miss any update about upcoming videos in the future, and hope you guys will be having a banger week. So peace out.